Mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect is one of the prominent and the deciding effect for the chemical reactivity and the features associated with the organic molecules. This mesomeric effect can be defined as the permanent polarization occurring in the organic molecules or the species by the readjustment of mobile electron density, that is pi electron density, either in simple conjugated system or a conjugated system connected with an active atom or a group. Active atom is that atom which can be either having cationic character or anionic character, or that to hold at least a lone pair of electrons. Or if it is a group, that group should consisting of either the same atoms with the multiple bonds or the different atoms with the multiple bonds. In that case, the permanent mobile electron density is readjusted. As a result, polarization comes for the organic molecule. Thus, the permanent polarization, it is always the property inherent along with the molecule. To show this particular nature, no reagent and no special conditions are required. It is always present along with it. Hence, it is a permanent. And due to this permanent effect, what happens is, suppose if we expect if it is not there, its polarization is different. Its polarization power and its dipole moment is different. But due to this one, it shows some other new value of polarization, that is the permanent polarization occurring in the organic molecules due to readjustment of mobile electron density, especially that is pi electron density, either in simple conjugated systems or the conjugated systems connected with active atom or the active group. Active atom should have the atom directly connected to the conjugation, either it is cationic character or anionic character, or it should have the lone pair of atom. If it is a group, that should connected with the multiple bonds. That an effect is said to be mesomeric effect. Let us go for what is conjugation, what is simple and what is extended conjugation, followed by which is active atom, under which conditions this particular mesomeric effect is shown, and what is group, what is the nature of the group to show the mesomeric effect in the extended conjugated systems. Then how many varieties of mesomeric effects are there? Let us have a simple discussion. Yes, let us go for the conjugated system, and we will focus our attention towards the primary conjugative system, that is carbon related connectivities. Suppose double bond is there, double bond followed by single bond and the double bond is present. This is ethene system, this is 1,3-butadiene system, 1,3,5 pentadiene hexadiene system. Like this conjugations are present. Here the alternative sigma and the pi bonds combination is known as conjugation. Conjugation is that one in which what should be present? Sigma bond followed by pi bond should be present, and these two are to be repeated alternatively, sigma pi. Sigma pi, if the repetition is present, then that is known as what? Conjugation. Whereas in the first case I am having only one pi bond, there is no extension. Suppose if I expect one sigma bond, if this is repeated, this particular portion if it repeats, then it is said to be the conjugation. It is not repeated, hence we can't say it is having conjugation. But whereas from second onwards, see sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond is there. Similarly, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond is there. These of all are known as what? Conjugation. And compare it to second case, third case is having some more extension. Hence, compare it to second, these of all are said to be extended conjugations. Thus, conjugation is the repetition of sigma and pi bonds at alternate positions is said to be the conjugation. If it extends, then it is said to be extended conjugation. Extension is a relative word with reference to some. If it is having lower conjugation, if it is having higher conjugation, that higher conjugation is technically represented with the word that is extended conjugation. Suppose if I feel this is my reference, with respect to this second, third is having extended conjugation, fourth is having more extended conjugation. So therefore, alternative repetition of sigma and the pi bonds in the organic molecule is said to be conjugation. Yes, conjugation and the extended conjugation is just not restricted to the carbon-carbon double bond. It can be associated with the other multiple bonds also. Even carbon-carbon triple bond is also involved as a part of conjugation. Similarly, here carbon with the other atoms combination, carbon with nitrogen can form double bond, can form triple bond, carbon with oxygen can also form double bond system. Like this, these of all are considered as conjugations. And this one is a cyclic conjugation, whereas conjugation is present, sigma bond, pi bond combinations are present, and it is appearing in the form of a cycle is known as cyclic conjugation. And moreover, conjugation can also be present with the help of heteroatoms combination also. Suppose if I go for the conjugation of the system, that is sulfonic acid is there. Yes. Here sulfur and the oxygen combination, both are different atoms. In this way also we will find the conjugation. Everything in which alternative sigma as well as pi bond, pi can be a double bond, pi can be a triple bond. If system is present, then that a system is said to be conjugated system. Yes, in a simple conjugated system connected with either group or an active atom, generally eligible for the mesomeric effect. Here I am writing one pi bond and the sigma bond connected with a group. That group is fit for showing of mesomeric effect, or that group active atom which is connected with the alternate positions is having ability to show the mesomeric effect, or a extended conjugation portion properly connected with a group having ability to show the mesomeric effect. Otherwise, the extended conjugated system connected with an active atom of the either single active atom or the active atom present in the group in such a way that it is eligible to show the mesomeric effect. Then under these conditions, mesomeric effect is eligible. To show that mesomeric effect, active atom should have either cationic character or anionic character, or it should associated with the lone pair. If it is group, it should associated with the multiple bonds. As a result, conjugation extends. Some more conjugation is added to the conjugation present in the system. Thus, this effect is said to be mesomeric effect. Let us go for the examples related to the mesomeric effect by taking a simple example of a simple genuine example of alternative sigma pi sigma followed by all varieties like atoms groups into consideration. Yes, case number 1, if conjugation or the some part of extended conjugation, if it is connected to the atom having ability to show the mesomeric effect, then it shows the mesomeric effect. See here, this is a normal conjugated system, or you can feel it as an extended conjugated system because sigma pi is repeated, and it is connected to the carbon atom which is having positive charge. Due to some reasons, some group was eliminated from the system. As a result, the connected pi bond connected carbon atom is having positive charge. Now this extended conjugation or the conjugation connected with the atom having positive charge, that is present in the form of ion. Now this ion is involved in polarization in such a way that its positive charge can be extended from here to here, positive charge can be extended from here to here, that is the mesomeric effect. Similarly, this carbon ion also involved in polarization due to some more extension of the conjugation present over here. Similarly, atom having lone pair of electrons like nitrogen is there, oxygen is there, sulfur is there, those lone pairs. Along with this, if there is a chance, suppose if I am having a radical like this, an atom is there, atom is having 1 unit of electron extra, that is said to be what? Radical system, that is a neutral system. Atom with the charges or atom with the neutral character having of unpaired electrons are also involved in readjustment of electron density along with the conjugation. As a result, polarity changes occurs, and that is a permanent change, and these of all are said to be examples for the mesomeric effect. And to show the mesomeric effect, it is not necessary for me that it should be of always carbon. It can be of any atom, like nitrogen is there, oxygen is there, sulfur is there, any other atom can be present, halogen can be, anything can be present. And moreover, in this case, one thing that we have to remember is, suppose if it is protonated and if it is present in the form of H2O plus, this is a cation which is connected with the extended conjugation, proper position is present, but this is unfit to show the mesomeric effect, because here what happens is, if it involves in mesomeric effect, it has to show another one pi bond for the oxygen, which is 4 bonds. Now it is 3. That is not possible. Then in this case, it doesn't show any kind of mesomeric effect. In mesomeric effect, electron readjustment is possible, thereby bonds alternation, bonds adjustment is also present. A 2 bond system is converted to 3 bond system, 3 bond system is converted to 2 bond system, but it should follow the valency rules. If it validates the valency rules, then only other mesomeric structures are eligible for the organic molecule, else it is unfit to show the mesomeric effect. Now let us go for the group. If suppose the conjugation connected properly with the group, which groups are able to show the mesomeric effect, and some examples of the mesomeric effect followed by classification. Yes, active group connected with the conjugation or extended conjugation, as we discussed, is eligible for the mesomeric effect. And here I am taking this particular conjugation as reference, and it is connected properly with the group. That group should have multiple bonds, either sigma bond followed by 1 pi bond, sigma bond followed by 2 pi bonds, because pi bond is a dependent bond, and in this case it is once again connected with carbon-carbon pi bond. So conjugation is enhanced, and this is eligible because multiple bond is present. Similarly, here it is present with the triple bond, extension conjugation occurs, and here carbon and the oxygen multiple bonds are there. Due to this conjugation, 2 pi bond system is converted to 3 pi bond system, eligible for the mesomeric effect. Proper position is there. Similarly, this is keto positions, and this is cyanide functional group, and this is nitro functional group, and this is sulfonic acid functional groups. Like this, sulfur and oxygen, maybe carbon followed by carbon combinations, carbon followed by other heteroatom combinations, or both heteroatoms combination, or the similar heteroatoms combination. Any variety of group is eligible to show the mesomeric effect. Yes, mesomeric effect is also appears here or there in the mid of the reactions. To pretend or to predict the reaction mechanism, mesomeric effect is very important. Suppose let us see, this is a dicarbonyl system, that is beta dicarbonyl system, whereas in this beta dicarbonyl system, alpha position is having 2 hydrogens. In the presence of base, proton is eliminated easily. As a result, it is converted as H plus followed by C minus. It is very stablest because it is involved in mesomeric effect with respect to the conjugation. This is charge followed by single bond and the double bond system, charge followed by single bond and the double bond systems. Thus, it shows more possible other structures. It becomes more stable. Thus, it participates in reaction in this manner by eliminating proton, which is known as active proton, which is known as active hydrogen. Like this, mesomer effect is having a lot of importance. Mesomeric effect is classified into 2 categories. One as positive mesomeric effect and second as negative mesomeric effect. Here group is taken as reference. Before mesomeric effect, the net number of electrons present on the group, whereas as a result of positive mesomeric effect, what happens is the net count of electrons present on the group decreases. If it loses electrons, it gains positive charge. Hence, that particular mesomeric effect is recognized and classified as positive mesomeric effect. Or it can also involve in gaining of electrons. The net number of electrons due to mesomeric effect increases. As a result, it attains extra charge, extra negative charge. Such kind of mesomeric effect is known as minus mesomeric effect. As examples for the positive mesomeric effect, let us see a case where the conjugation system is connected with the atom, that is oxygen having of 2 lone pair of electrons. Due to this effect, here what happens is this pi bond lone pair electron density is shifted towards this sigma bond. As a result, this pi bond system is shifted towards the carbon. As a result, here what happens is it gains negative charge, it will become double bond, and here it is having oxygen connected with lone pair followed by the H, and here net loss of electrons are occurring over the oxygen having positive charge. Next, if it involves in further conjugation, then it results into the system in such a way that here it is having oxygen with negative charge followed by double bond system, and here the same system is going to be repeated, oxygen with lone pair followed by the H. See, this mesomeric effect is indicated by writing a double arrow between the systems, that is, structures are interconvertible from one to other. This is my original neutral structure, but here in this mesomeric effect, here what happened is the net number of electrons, lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen are, with respect to the mobile electrons count, if I consider lone pair of electrons are 2 plus 2, 4 are there is no pi electron. But whereas in the other structures, due to this mesomeric effect, 1 pi electron is present and 1 lone pair implies 2 electrons, 2 plus 1, 3 are there. So number of the mobile electrons present on the active atom decreases. As a result, it is getting lack of electron situation compared to the reference situation. That is nothing but what? The losing of electrons. They gains the positive charge, hence this effect is said to be positive mesomeric effect. That is, the conjugated system connected with the lone pair electrons containing systems or the negative charge containing systems. Let us go for the second case. Due to some causes, some group is eliminated, most electronegative group. As a result, it is converted as carbon ion. If it involves in mesomeric effect, I may get the structure like this. Here, CH2. Whereas if it involves in next structural features like, then that will leads to the another structure. That structure is like this. These two are mesomeric structures. Whereas on this carbon, the number of lone pairs are 1. 2 mobile electrons are there, but in these structures, due to this pi bond system, it is having only 1 mobile electron. 2 are converted to 1. Net loss of electrons are occurring. Electron is having negative charge. Electrons are less in place. No negative saturated amount is there with respect to the reference, hence it is said to be what? Positive mesomeric effect. There are many groups which are eligible to show the positive mesomeric effect. Atoms having of the lone pair of electrons generally eligible to show the plus Me effect. Yes, atoms which are having lone pair of electrons directly connected with the conjugation eligible to show the positive mesomeric effect. See, oxygen atom connected with hydrogen, connected with R, that is nothing but alcohols, ethers, properly connected with the conjugated situation. In extension to the conjugation, if this group is present, then alcohols, ethers, amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines, halides, thiols and thioethers are eligible to show the positive mesomeric effect. Yes, negative mesomeric effect. As a result of this mesomeric effect, in the new structures, that expected group should gain the electron density. Such kind of groups are said to be examples for the minus mesomeric effect. Whereas active atom followed by the groups present in the extension can also shows the mesomeric effect. Groups like aldehydes, ketones properly substituted with the extension of the conjugation. Similarly, nitriles, nitro compounds, sulfonic acids generally shows minus mesomeric effect because they gains the electron density. We will give one example. Similarly, cationic character containing species like carbocations also shows the positive mesomeric effect. But this nitrogen connected with 3 valencies and properly substituted in extension position of the conjugation is unfit, because if it shows the mesomeric effect, it has to show the mesomeric effect, it has to convert that sigma bond system as sigma and the pi bond system, whereas the maximum covalency of nitrogen is 4 but not the 5. Hence this particular system is unfit to show the mesomeric effect, and this particular system oxygen maximum covalency is 3 but not the 4. It is also unfit to show the mesomeric effect. That's what we should be very careful, that valency rules has to be followed to maintain the mesomeric effect, like positive mesomeric effect as well as the negative mesomeric effect. Yes, minus mesomeric effect with respect to the atom connectivity, with respect to the group connectivity. See here carbocation is there. In this carbocation system, yes, it involves in extension of conjugation in such a way that This pi bond electron density shifted towards the next sigma bond. As a result, this is carbon ion, this is carbocation. Valency remains 4, hence it participates. Thus, here it will be getting 1 unit of positive charge. This is one of the mesomeric structure. And from here onwards, once this pi bond electron density shifted towards the end, then once again it is converted as double bond system, and here it is converted as carbocation. Thus, this structure are mesomeric structures to the first. Similarly, in the second case, aldehyde functional group is properly substituted in extension to the extended conjugation. Thereby, here this pi bond electron density shifted towards the oxygen. As a result, carbon will get positive charge. Thus, here what happens is this pi bond electron density shifted towards the sigma bond. Thus, here the partial, that is complete positive charge and negative charge, forms a double bond system, whereas this one is going to be getting 1 unit of positive charge. Now here once again, if it involves in conjugation like this, thus double bond system is established over here, and here it is getting 1 unit of positive charge. Net amount of number of electrons remains same. Cationic species converted as cationic and cationic species. Neutral species is converted as charged species, 1 cation and 1 anion, 1 cation and 1 anion. These are mesomeric structures. That's what we can say. The permanent polarization. Yes, why we are saying the word neutral species are converted. If any chance is there, polarization remains as it is, else polarization enhances. The permanent polarization due to readjustment of mobile electron density in conjugated systems is known as mesomeric effect. Now we are saying these two are examples under the minus ME effect, because here this group is having no mobile electrons, but now here it is having with respect to pi bond, one mobile electron is there. So therefore net gain of electrons are there, hence it is comes under the category of minus mesomeric effect. Whereas if I look at the group aldehyde functional group and connectivities, this is my point. Whereas in this one mobile electron, that is pi bond is there, pi bond implies what here for this carbon or for this group, 2 mobile electrons are there. But now due to this mesomeric effect, lone pair extra implies 2 electrons and pi bond in that half is ours like this. So therefore 2 plus 1 3 electrons, extra electron is coming for the group. So electron offers negative charge, hence this effect is said to be minus mesomeric effect. A special case, in this first example, a cyclic system is there in which 3 alternative sigma and pi bonds combination is present, conjugation is present. But there is a competition. If I feel this is my conjugation, for this group as well as double bond connectivity is present. Whether atom involves in conjugation or the group involves in conjugation is a competition here. In this, when conjugation is present, to extend the conjugation, there is a competition with respect to the lone pair present on the atom, with respect to the double bond connected with the atom. Thus here what happens is, when competition comes, in general what happens is the pi bond system, double bond system which is present in conjugation with the reference conjugation is always involved in extension, but not the lone pair, not this. Whereas in second case, if I feel this is my reference, this is connected with the heteroatom having of lone pair, so therefore there is no pi bond system is there, hence it is involved in conjugation like this. Thus, when competition occurs with the proper substituted positions of atom having lone pairs and atom having associated with the pi bond systems, then the pi bond system is involved in extension of the conjugation to enhance the mesomeric effect. Yes, applications of mesomeric effect. Due to this mesomeric effect, there occurs a lot of changes in the organic molecules. Physical properties changes, and the bond properties, bond energy, bond lengths, those are also changes. Reactivity of molecule is also altered. Stability of the molecules alters, and stabilities of intermediates expected are also changes. Rate of reaction changes. It may proceed through the new path based on the stability of intermediate. Even acidity and basicity associated with the weak organic components are weak acids and bases. Their particular acidity and basicity is also affected by the other groups present on the structures due to this mesomeric effect. Yes, let us go for acidity of phenols versus methanol. Yes, methanol is alcohol, phenol is also alcohol. One is aliphatic alcohol, second one is aromatic alcohols. Phenols are found to be more acidic compared to the aliphatic alcohols. In case of methanol, it is present in the form of methoxide followed by H plus if it is acting as an acid. Whereas here in case of phenol, while it is acting as an acid, what happens is phenoxide ion formation takes place. Phenoxide ion is more stabilized because, as per the rules, more charge separation occurs. Here charge is dispersed between extra 4 carbon atoms. As a result, the net charge present on the atom decreases. Thus, stability of the oxygen present in the phenoxide is more compared to the 100% negative charge holding methoxide ion. Hence, as being it is stable at equilibrium, its percentage is higher. Thus, compared to aliphatic alcohols, phenol like aromatic alcohols are showing higher acidity. That is due to what? Minus mesomeric effect. Basicity of aliphatic and aromatic amines is also explained by the mesomeric effect. Here, aliphatic amine, methylamine, electron density is present on the nitrogen. The more availability of electron density on the nitrogen active donor atom, it becomes more basic. The same nitrogen's related electron density, the fate of electron density present on nitrogen in case of aromatic system, that is benzene connected NH2, that is aniline. If I look at here, what happens is electron density is involved in mesomeric effect because conjugated system connected with the heteroatom having of lone pair of electrons, not only heteroatom, atom consisting of lone pair of electrons involves in mesomeric effect by donating its electron density like this. As a result, here what happens, suppose this pi bond is converted in such a way that this is converted as carbon ion. Electron density is removed from the nitrogen, it is having unit positive charge. Now it involves in resonance. Thus here more than one structures, 2, 3 structures are appearing along with this original structure. 4 structures are appearing. In that 4 structures, one of the structure is having electron density on the nitrogen. So at an average, some 20 to 25% of availability is there. But whereas here 100% availability is there, hence aliphatic amines are always stronger bases compared to the aromatic amines. Even the aromatic character present with the organic molecules can also be explained on behalf of the mesomeric effect, which is the explanation is once again given with the help of a special rule known as Huckel rule. Thus, mesomeric effect is that one in which a permanent polarization occurs due to the readjustment of mobile electron density with a properly substituted atom or the group to the conjugation or the extended conjugation is known as mesomeric effect, and it can be as per the charge is concerned, positive mesomeric effect or the negative mesomeric effect. It influences many things like physical properties, acidity, basicity, bond lengths, bond orders, bond energies, similarly chemical reactivity, stabilities of intermediates as well as the stability of the organic molecules in many aspects.